Hi, I'm Dr. Finith Jernigan. I'm an investor, entrepreneur, and technology strategist. Over the past decade, I've led high-stakes discovery projects, co-founded successful ventures, and applied AI and advanced computing to challenges that others called impossible. Today, I work with innovators and executives across industries to bridge the gap between cutting-edge science, advanced technology, and business execution. Let's talk about how to make that bridge, and more importantly, how to walk across it. First, you need to start with the right problem. Too often, teams race to apply AI or simulations without clearly defining the problem they're solving. In my experience, from scientific discovery to enterprise AI, the first step is identifying a friction point where innovation meets uncertainty. For example, in biotech, the problem wasn't a lack of data. It was figuring out what biology to model at the atomic level to make it useful. That's a principle that scales. Whether you're in finance, logistics, or health tech, anchoring your tech strategy to a well-framed problem makes the rest of the execution not just possible, but scalable. Point 2 is translate the complexity into action. Complex problems don't scare me, they excite me. The real challenge is translating that complexity into a framework teams can actually use. That's where high-performance computing, simulations, and AI come in, not just to crunch numbers, but to make better decisions faster. I've helped organizations take models that used to live in academic papers and turn them into tools for real-time business decisions. It's not about dumbing down the science, but about elevating your execution. Point 3 is focus on building cross-functional teams that speak the same language. Technology fails when communication fails. Bridging science, tech, and business means building teams that can speak across these three disciplines. That's not easy, but it's essential to drive progress. I've led teams of scientists, engineers, and business leaders, and the ones that succeeded had one thing in common: shared mental models. Invest in that translation layer through culture, communication, and leadership, and your execution will speed up exponentially. Our last point is execute like a technologist. Having a vision is great, but execution is what moves markets. When I work with startups or enterprises, I focus on making the tech roadmap executable. That means aligning the right tools with the real-world constraints. It's really not about the fanciest solution, but it's about the solution you can deploy the quickest, scale the easiest, and learn from the quickest. In closing, here's the main takeaway. The future doesn't belong to the most advanced algorithm. It belongs to teams who can bridge science, technology, and execution with clarity and speed. The impossible is just the starting point. And if you're willing to approach it with the right mindset, the right tools, and the right team, you'll be surprised at how solvable it becomes. Thank you for listening.